In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on HankoTrade. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open up either a live or a demo account. If you don't know how to do this, you can watch the videos on my channel where I teach you how to do it. It's very simple. Just click on either create demo or create live account and just follow your steps and you'll be good to go. Now, to actually place a trade, you then want to go to trading terminals over here and you want to open up HankoX, either the live version or the demo version. I'm going to go in the demo version over here, and for the first time you do this, it's basically going to require you to sign in with your credentials. You'll receive those onto your email upon the creation of your account, so that's very easy. And then whenever you sign in, you'll be able to go ahead and basically place a trade. Now, the way you do this here on the left hand side, you first have to select whatever you want to actually trade or place a trade on. I'm gonna go, for example, for Bitcoin USD over here, and on the right hand side you can see the buy and sell options. You can then select the type of order you want. You could also do advanced options for stop losses, take profits, trailing stop losses, etc. And whenever you're happy with your order that you want to actually place or the trade you want to place, just click on place buy order or place sell order over here, and your order is going to be fulfilled and you'll be able to see it down here at the very bottom. So that's how to place a trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.